Finally, I'm back in Bangkok, Thailand! But this time, I'm with my besties. Say sawadee krap! Sawadee krap! So let the Thai ventures begins in 3, 2, 1! What can you say? Nandito na tayo sa Bangkok.
Let's go!
Papunta kami ngayon sa base floor. Hinahanap namin yung Super Rich Exchange. Ayan yata. So I think dito siya. Check natin guys kung dito nga sa may malapit sa Airport Rail Link yung Super Rich Exchange. Travel tips. Go to the base floor Airport Rail Link to see the best exchange rate. Here at Happy Rich and Super Rich. So saan kaya yung airport van pick up namin dito? Where is my name? Let's find out. Okay, my name.
Okay, can you show everything about her?
Ikaw si John Elsin?
Yes. So anong trivia mo for today's video?
Paano mo malalaman na may Pinoy dyan?
Paano?
Sigaw ka tite.
O try mo nga. Go, try mo. Go.
Tite! Oh, huli, huli.
Why po?
Huli si Idol.
Bakit po?
Kakaswipe mo ha?
Ko?
Huli ka ngayon, Idol.
While waiting for our van,
Day 1 pa lang ha?
ng oras.
Day 1 pa lang, ang dami mo nang i-swipe ha?
Sayang naman ang Tinder Gold kung di magagamit, di ba? Eh, 4 to go na.
Tinder Gold baka naman. Ay, promote mo na.
Use Tinder Gold while waiting here at the airport. Go! Touchdown, Bangkok! Congrats, Beshi! Woo! Welcome to Naiya! Charis! Yung van namin, guys. Okay, nakasakay na kami sa van. Going to our hotel. Ayan guys, nasa Skyway na kami. Charis. It looks like Skyway in Manila. Hi! Hi! Oh, kabalan, maranap na ako. Nang Thai food yung buri yung kanan.
Thai room. Ay, hindi. Pad Thai pala.
You?
Pad Thai and milk tea.
And you?
Milk tea.
Same with me. Gusto ko na ng milk tea.
And mango stick rice.
So, for tonight and for this trip, real na food review na talaga from Bangkok, Thailand. So, abangan yun, guys.
Let's go!
Let's go! At syuta na Makati, guys. Going to Pobla. Beshi, where na?
Mga kabalen, nasa EDSA na tayo. Look!
It looks like EDSA. It's giving NLEX, guys. Santa Ines exit. Ganon. O kabalen, mamili na kayo.
Chuta na.
PM is the key. Chuta na apo. The good thing with our van, we can enter this alley. As you can see, sobrang sikip na guys. Pero linalaban pa rin. For the go! Kasi may mga signage na nakalagay, do not enter. Pero kami, syempre, Disney Princess. Guys, nandito na kami. Nagka-crave na ako ng Thai milk tea and yung manggawid, yung special dip na may salt, sugar, chili. Okay. For the tuk-tuk.
Sorry na, pag tatlo na, trick-trick?
Okay. Have a, sige, pagbigyan ng chance. Nakikita nyo bang nakikita ko guys? I-zoom in ko Daming dumadaan Ayan. For the water gun! For the songkran. So kung dito kayo magstay guys, expect nyo na masikip ang alley. Pero hindi namin in-expect na pasok ni Kuya yung van namin dito. Ganun siya kabait. Ayaw niya kami maglakad. So book na kayo sa Klook. So dahil 4 kami and 7 yung luggages namin, binook namin itong van for 8 seating capacity. And it's really spacious. So clean. Pabait pa si Kuya. Kita nyo naman. Expect ko lalakarin namin itong alley na to pero finish pa rin niya. So, deserve niya to later. Binook pala namin itong van na to for only 1,800 pesos via Klook. Kopkon ka! Thank you!
Thank you. Pangkap.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye! Book na kayo guys. Via Klook. So this is our hotel for 4 nights, Grand Alpine. I book it via Agoda. Hey Crab! Hi! Kuncho alay? Shy type si Kuya. Ang daming Pinoy nagbubook dito guys. Kaya dito kami nagbook. Let's see our room. Room 203. So ito yung... Sa'yo to. Superior King.
Okay.
Okay. Room tour. Nice. So clean.
Connecting na pala, babe.
Oh, connecting. Nice. O, dito check namin yung room namin.
Kabugan niya rin po naman
Ay.
sila. Ali,
Dapat doon. Okay.
Kaya kaya i-connect.
And this is our room 204.
Yung isa. Jet Production. This is ours.
The twin room with the connecting door. Okay, nice. Hi!
Hi.
Nice connecting.
Ano paano
Super clean.
Chika. Thank you.
And CR.
Pwedeng mas glani.
Nice. May heater. And may bidet. Perfect. Hi, Beshi. What can you say in our hotel?
Okay na.
Bakit ang hina ng boss?
Okay na.
Diba? Napaka-spacious ng room namin. In fairness and connecting pa. So if you're 4, okay na magbuka dito and malapit sa mga food market. So doon kami pupunta.
Connecting yung row.
True. May connecting flight na din. Okay. Nakikita nyo ba yun guys? Namumblema hindi makakonect sa wifi. Globe lock kasing iPhone niya. I think bibili siya ng phone for tonight's video. Bibili din siyang SIM. Let's go. So the good thing in our hotel guys, nasa likod lang kami ng Bayok Sky Tower and of course 7-Eleven. Perfect. May hotel dito guys, merong Gusto Hotel Pratunam and yung Ember Inn. Dapat dito kami nag-book. Pero mas spacious kasi yung sa Grand Alpine. Ayun. Sawadee krab! We're here at Pratunam! Woo! So dito kami kakain guys sa One Food Center here at Pratunam area. As you can see, walking distance lang yung hotel namin dun sa dulo hanggang dito. Let's go! Guys, ang daming options and mga clothes, massage, food, and mga pagod nyong tita at tito ng Pampanga. Day 1 pa lang to guys. How much is the pad thai?
100 baht.
100 baht pad thai. Is it delicious? Aroy mak? Aroy mak. We order 4 seafood pad thai. Yeah. 4? Yeah. And then what are your available drinks here?
This one no more.
This one?
Green tea.
Yeah. Talagang
Do you have lemon tea?
Yes, lemon tea.
Okay.
It's two
Ito,
little
Mars.
crispy pork.
Ah yes, and then crispy pork. Do you have
Two crispy pork.
2 crispy pork? How much is that? The fried?
This one.
Yeah.
It's 180 baht.
180 baht.
Okay. And the seafood pad thai is 100 baht. Right, okay.
120.
Ah, 120.
No,
It's for seafood, okay. But if it's pork, 100 or beef?
Steam one.
Ah, shrimp, okay.
Na nagkakalemon tea?
Is this available? This one.
Yes. 1 lemon tea, please. Yes.
Ikaw naman.
Taste test. What can you say about the lemon tea?
Real lemon. Maasim.
Authentic lemon tea. And your green tea.
Oh, it's good.
Good. Real matcha.
No, green tea.
Ah, real tea.
It's not
Green
matcha.
tea.
Yeah.
Ah, ano bang difference ng green tea sa matcha tea? Okay, pass. Comment down below, guys. Sarap. Parang may Lipton, no? Yung flavor niya. Sarap. Sayang walang Thai milk tea. Kaya ito munang lemon tea. Pero masarap naman. Ito na yung fried pork belly with this special sauce. What can you say about the fried pork belly?
Crispy pata.
Crispy pata. Is it crispy on the outside, juicy on the in the inside?
It's good.
The perfect night.
Ako.
Nagmasarap dun sa kinainan natin sa sa Angeles.
Yung TI noodle.
Nagmasarap daw, the best to.
Siyempre, authentic talaga yun eh. If you want authentic Thai food, especially pad Thai,
Go to time.
go to Thailand. Yun lang. Of course. Authentic somtam or papaya salad. And the fruits. Let's try their Thai milk tea here. Ayun guys, kaya lang walang pearl. Let's see kung masarap. Thai milk tea before we sleep. Masarap ba? Kahit walang pearl?
Masarap, masarap.
Authentic Thai milk tea. Dito lang, sa may alley. And now we're going back to our hotel. So for today's video, ano kayang halaga ang pipiliin niya? Call a friend? 7-Eleven Bangkok finds. Let's try this big roll. Anong nakuha mo, Besh? Lace? Nori seaweed flavor. Look what I found! Boss, my idol. Day 1 in Thailand. So dahil open na ang ating connecting flight, kaya ka pa ba, Beshi? Ali, okay mo? Oh, ayaw ng face mask. Dahil nagahan ako ng face mask. Let's go, Beshi! Let's go! Running dance steps. Ayun mo. Morning, Beshes! Morning! It's our first day here in Bangkok and we will explore the malls here in Pratunam area. POV for the withdraw na si Beshi. Successful kaya for today? Let's find out. Another POV. Waiting si na Beshi. So pupunta kami ngayon ni Pampang, Pabalen. So kami Pratunam. So it's mall hopping today. As you can see, it's a busy street in this Tuesday. And there's a lot of fruits. So Vini, ako si Rap, nakakita ng mga kalapatids.
Okay.
Ayun o, bumaba. POV ni Beshi. Naghahanap na ng kya. Pero ang kanyang kaya ay naghihintay sa isang isla. Indra Square.
Nasa Nepo Mall na kami. Angeles! Woo!
It looks like Napo Mall.
Mag-apo muna kami.
Day 1 of lakaran with the Beshies. Hanggang saan kaya ang lalakarin namin? As you can see, ayun yung Big C, malapit ko. Doon. Another shopping mall. Palladium World Shopping.
Ano sa tingin mo? 23 million yan?
Same yung nasa Dao. So paukyat kami ngayon sa footbridge.
23 million na footbridge.
23 million na footbridge din kaya ito. I-audit nyo na guys. So that is the Bayok Sky Tower beside our hotel. Nasaan tayo?
Doon, Chinatown.
And yung mga kalapatids. Wow, ay nakuha ko yun.
Nakakatakot naman.
Yun lang, hindi namin alam kung oh my god. That was close guys. Di namin alam kung pwede na kaming lumipat sa pedestrian. Yeah, wala kasing stoplight for the pedestrian. So sariling sikap ang pagtawid dito. Trust issues kaya hindi ka pwedeng tumawid dito. Finally, we arrived here at our first destination, Goang Pratunam Chicken. Ito yung menu nila, guys. Their Hainanese chicken rice for only 50 baht. Awarded siya ng the Michelin Guide Beef Gourmand for 3 consecutive years. And my free chicken broth soup and soy sauce. So this is my longan drink and the stir-fry morning glory. Yung color ng Thai milk tea nila parang Ovaltine or Milo. And this is their signature Thai Hainanese chicken rice. How's the food, guys?
It's good. It's yummy.
Okay. So, ito yung process nila sa paggawa ng Hainanese chicken rice. And this is the chicken broth soup. Ito yung gusto ko sa sidewalk nila. May mga trees to avoid the sun. We are here at the Market Bangkok for the Mapet Summer Sale. And sa my right side, we have the Central World for the Pop Mart. First budol of the day.
How's the little bunny?
Mga pasabay dyan. Tingnan po.
Ito nga nga chan ko. Ito nga nga chan.
Brown ata yung favorite, brown.
Ayan yung brown. Thank you po. Pinoy din, kababayan.
Ay, hindi po. Kaya yung na yung kulay niya. Medyo brown, dark, Chena Bells.
Beshi, where's your first budol of the day? Unang mall pa lang to. Oh. Strike a pose. Natapos din ang pasabay, girl. Success.
1 hour.
Pansinin nyo to ha. Pagka nagtutour kami, marami reklamo yan. Pero pag ganyan siya,
Mabilis maglakad.
Yan, di na mapagod yan.
Tignan mo, una pa sa pila niyan.
Oh.
Ito na, guys. For the sale. What can you say, guys?
Mahal, kahit second hand.
Bigo.
Punta
Hindi
na
na
tayo
budol.
Japan. Let's go to Japan.
Mahal. Pero mas mahal ko siya.
Aww.
Pwede naman, respeto sa
Oh. Meron ka, di ba? Nasa... Next destination, Big C. Anong meaning ng Big C?
Big cock.
Big Bangkok. So, at na kami hypermarket. SM Hypermarket, lookalike. So, before ka makapag-shopping dito sa Big C, need mong iwan yung baggage mo dito sa customer service. My favorite lace. Naka-buy 2 free 1 sila, guys. I'll get this Norris seaweed.
Dapat yung upuan ko. Ba't iba yung upuan ko?
Extra barbecue. Sour cream and onion. Hot chili squid. Salted egg. Next, we have their famous brand, Big Shit, or seaweeds. Okay, let's try their different flavors, the spicy.
Other than spicy. Original or the seafood? Seafood. Okay.
Seafood, okay. So, I got this free from this Big Shit. Thank you. Topcon Craft. So, kailangan mo lang bumili ng mga more than 300 baht para makakuha ng free waterproof case for Songkran Festival. Next, we have the Euro cake. Custard cake, pandan, to chocolate, and strawberry. Ito yung mga binili ko sa Big C. Euro cake, Big Shit, and lace with different flavors. And you, anong nabili mo?
Ito, masarap to.
Ano ba yan? Biscuit?
Shit.
Shit. Ayun yung Big Shit.
Ito big shit.
And Euro cake.
Ah,
Ito with free waterproof case.
Basta masarap to, may ganito sa Pilipinas wala. Tapos ito, mo inipit eh, mo masarap.
For the tuk-tuk, guys. We're going. First time riding. The tuk-tuk. Baka makita ang ano. Bente. So, in a party. We're going to the Market Bangkok.
Kapag alda po, yan. Kaliwan nyo pa din credit card you. Kamusta yung biyahe?
Natin, naiwan ko.
Diretso na, Karen.
Hindi.
Magkano?
Kami dun sa kanto lang. Ayaw niyang ipasok.
Magkano yung tuktok?
Star lang siya.
Magkano yung tuktok?
100 only.
Okay.
VIP service.
No.
For the photo booth. Photo sticker. Next destination, Central World. Next Budol, Pop Mart. Gentlewoman. How's your day, beshies? Kaya pa? Daming pinag-shopping day 1 pa lang Budol pa more.
Alam mo,
We're on the way to Platinum Wall and meron kong sasabihin. Ano yun?
alam mo yung gagawin mo para malaman ng mga Thai na you're looking for it.
What?
Parilin mo sa Toy Toy bukas pag nagsoklan tayo.
Okay.
Yung mga shot mo nun, pag gano'n na, hindi pa gano'n.
For the Thai room, go! Seafood tom yum for 80 baht. This tom yum noodles with seafood is really delicious. So this is for 500.
Yeah,
12 pieces. What's the name?
Hong Chantong.
Hong Chan Tong. Hong.
3 men, right?
3 men. Ah, okay.
Pick one. First, this one for smell and for you are good eating.
Isang singot pa lang, bukas ka na magigising. Bili na kayo dito guys. 1 this herb. Meron pang free. Surprise daw. So heto yung promotion nila dahil 5 yung binili namin. It's now 480 each. Come visit their big shop. 3 Pharmacy Platinum Zone to 6th floor. And your name is?
Yeah.
Priya. Kopkun Krab.
You're so pretty.
Yeah.
I will.
Swaimak.
I like,
Oh yeah, maganda you know.
I like your nose because my nose is long.
Oh, it's cute.
Yeah.
Explain it, what is that?
And this one for muscle pain
Muscle pain.
and the whole body ache. You can use and then
okay.
for stomach
Especially if we walk a lot today.
ache. Yeah. And for stomach pain.
Okay.
This one I give you free for you, no?
Okay, Kopkun Krab. So come to this shop. They will give you free. Free. Thank you, Kopkun Krab. Bye. Natapos din mag-shopping dito sa Platinum Fashion Mall and now it's time to eat here at their street food stalls with their infamous Coke. I want Coke. Kala. Hi! Say hi! For the Coke na parang frosty. Bili na kayo. My POV for today's video. Ano yun? Ano yun? Budol pa more. Exotic.
Hindi ko kaya.
Marami pa naman chance. Pero siguro ito bibili ako. Okay, salt.
No spicy.
Yeah. Yan na guys. Bamboo worm for today's video. Tala mo Nemo. Oh, yan. Go. Dali na. Anong lasa? Butter.
Butter.
Oh, butter nga. Tama ang chismis. O, ikaw naman, go. Hawakan mo na lang.
Okay siya.
O ano masabi mo?
Masarap.
Masarap siya, o di ba? Bamboo worm for today's video. Aroy, Mac. Parang ano lang siya. Yun nga, butter.
Ano, taba?
Taba, oo. Parang nga yung taba ng ano.
Tabang manok.
Oo, tabang manok.
Beef
Or
skewer.
chicken din, gano'n. Aroy, Mac. You must try here. In front of Platinum Mall.
Beef skewer. Really good.
How is it?
Perfect to eh. On the way to Satani Mihoy!
Tite!
Hi.
Oki! Tite!
Welcome to Thailand.
Yeah. Ito yung tilapia nila guys. Ang laki. Scallops. Tom yum with seafood. Fried chicken. Crab fried rice. Mango sticky rice. In fairness, masarap yung food nila guys. Pero may mas masarap pa dito. Abangan. Shit guys, ito na. The highlight of the night.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Mula dito sa Bangkok, Thailand, JS na yan! Mission accomplished for this day. 6 days more to go.